What's going on, guys? It's James again with another video. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, I'm sorry, but I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. I'm going to be filming a cold start of the exoticspeed Catback for the 350Z and then give you guys a couple revs. So it says it's going to be a true cold start. I didn't start the car since yesterday, so I mean it is kind of hot out, but it is a true cold start. I know there's a lot of 350 exhaust options out there, so hopefully this will help someone maybe decide on if this is one they want to go with. So this is stock Cats and then just the exoticspeed Catback. It does get a little drony at low RPM sometimes. Like when I drive through neighborhoods, it echoes off the houses, but it's not really that loud, honestly. But it is a good middle ground. Like, it's not too loud and it's not too quiet either. Just letting the car warm up now so I give you guys some revs. My only thing with it, I mean, I am happy with the loudness of it, and it sounds great, it really does. But sometimes I just wish it was like maybe 20% louder, but at the same time I don't, because it's like my daily and my only car, so I don't want to be like totally obnoxious. But at the same time I would like it to be a little bit louder. And if I went test pipes, I think it'd be way too loud. Alright guys, hope that helped you pick your next exhaust, or if you just wanted to hear it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below, and have a good day, guys.